Hi guys, what's up? What's going on, guys? Hoping you guys are doing fine like I am here. Have you ever thought of making 1,000,000 shillings? Yeah, I know you've not. You're probably thinking I'm joking here with you guys, or you've lost hope or something. In today's video, I want you guys to listen to the secrets. This is how people are making millions outside here, and I'm not kidding. I'm not even kidding. I figured out 3 ways, only 3, because I don't want to confuse you with so many ways. Of course, there are so many ways in which people are making millions, but I'm going to give you these 3 ways so that you guys can decide if you want to become millionaires or not. And you know, millionaires are not born, they are made. You don't wake up and find yourself a millionaire. You work hard for it. So I'm going to give you 3 ways how you can become a millionaire today, right now. Within like 3 months or 4 months, you'll be a millionaire if you do this. Okay, without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. In which you can become a millionaire is to get into sales. And when I mean get into sales, I mean you really have to get into it, you know, dive into it. This is how people are making money. And when I say sales, what I have in mind is selling products or selling insurance to people. Insurance is one way that I discovered recently. I was too late to discover. Imagine you get paid 40% of what other people are saving with. For example, I investigated in this one insurance. I won't mention it. I don't know if they lied to me, but once you become their salesperson, they give you 40% of what you sell to others. So what you are required to do is you take those insurance, go advertise them to people, and then they will save with the insurance, and the minimum amount they can save is 2,000 shillings. So if someone agrees to save that 2,000 shillings, you get 40% of that. That means you get 800 shillings. And imagine now you get 100 people who wants to save that 2,000 shillings. You are giving it the minimum. So what is 800 times 100? That is 80,000. That is for one insurance. You can have yourself at least 3 insurances, each target to get 100 people, and that is how much? 80,000 times 3, that is to 40,000 Kenya shillings. And you can imagine you're not doing anything. All you're doing is talk, because you'll be required to talk, guys. You'll be required to talk. And you're talking to people with salaries mostly, because you know they're the ones who will afford at least 2,000. People are getting something at the end of the month. So what you're going to do, you're going to dive into not banks. You're going to dive into people's offices. You can go around the offices. I know you won't miss people who you will use your own words, you know, to convince them. You can go to schools, go to the staff rooms. I see those people coming to staff rooms, selling them. At least, if not all the teachers will take it, some will do. By the end of the month, you'll have at least 50 people. Within 2 months, you'll have 100 people, and you'll be getting 40% of each person's saving. So every person that you enter into that insurance, you get 40% of what they are saving. So you can imagine, it's so good money, and you'll get it until the person ends their contract. So if that person extends for 10 years, it means you'll be getting paid for the next 10 years. That 40%. You can imagine, you know. I figured that is a very easy way to make millions, because after you've gotten people, you just sit and your money comes in. I know so many people have not discovered this, but it's a very good way to earn money and to make passive money. So if you're jobless, I don't know why you're seated there. Just go to those insurances, and they're usually so willing to employ you, as long as at least you have a Form 4 certificate. Just go and try your luck. You never know, you could be making millions by the end of the year, you know. Especially if you know how to talk, if you know how to convince people. But I think this one can fit for anyone, as long as you can talk. You can communicate in English or Kiswahili, so why not try it? And if you're in big towns, please make it a plan. It's a plan, because big towns have many employed people. They have many offices. Of course, some offices utafukuzwa, you'll be told you're a con man or a con woman, but that shouldn't stop you. You should try your luck. So yeah, that's the first way you can make millions from the comfort of your home. Of course not. You'll have to grind. You'll have to work, because all you want is 1,000,000 shillings, you know. Another method you can become a millionaire easily is becoming an influencer. Just look at all those influencers in Kenya. Angalia tu kina Aziad, you know, TikTok, Instagram. Look at Instagram gurus. They are posting cars each and every day, because that is the work they are committed to doing. These influencers have nothing else to do. They have decided to grind on that. Grind on it. So if you're really, really serious, you really want to become a millionaire, become an influencer. You can even come to YouTube. Grind on it. Post each and every day. Post crazy things, you know. Force people to come and follow you. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Go there. Push. And the good thing with social media is that once you start getting the following, hey, you will get it until you'll be left wondering, like, is this for real or something? Yeah, so just go, push for it. Remember, you want 1,000,000 shillings and nothing more, nothing less. So push hard. And let me just give you a warning. Influencing is not that easy. It's so hard. It's money, yes. It has so much money. Hey, when those brands start contacting you, you will love it. You will, hey, you guys, you don't even know. But it's so much work, because you have to post each and every day. Actually, you have to post more than once. Sometimes your post doesn't get likes and you feel so bad. And maybe some posts you expected to do so well does so bad. So just be ready for all the distress. I'm not here to just lie to you. Let me just tell you the truth. It's so hard, especially if you're not getting the following, because you have to be unique. Do something that somebody else is not doing and keep pushing. Like, grind it. Listen to people's stories, influencers' stories. You'll realize how much they pushed, how much they struggled to be on top. And I'm telling you, there's no effort that can go unrewarded. That is for sure. Even if you push for like 1 year, be sure you won't stay for long. And when you get rewarded, you will get it. You will get huge amounts of rewards. The third way you can make money is through selling your skills. I know each and every person has some skills they can do. So if you really want to make money, sell those skills. And I don't mean at work. No, I mean skills. Specifically what you can do that maybe other people can't, and that other people are really interested. You know, I don't know what term I should use, but the world has changed. People are really like out here trying to learn so many things, and you're probably seated on a talent. Maybe you can, for instance, play a guitar so well, or play an instrument so well. You're just seated there entertaining yourself. Use that opportunity and sell that skill to people. And the thing is, nowadays people are so willing to learn. I don't even understand. This world has really changed. People are out here asking for who can teach me this, who can teach me that. Just go online, go to Facebook, go to everything, every social media. You'll find people asking for different things. Dive into them, and if you find anyone who wants your skill, offer to them. And people are so desperate to pay any amount of money to learn some of these skills. So you can do it. You can make money. And the good thing is you can even sell your skills online. Go to Udemy, look for all those people who are there. Look what they want to buy and sell yours. Sell whatever you can offer, you know. Skills are so important in this world, in this global whatever. We are evolving, you know. You can do it. You can take advantage of the changing times and sell something you can do, you know, before other people overcrowd these kind of places. Yeah, be among the first. I've always talked about Udemy because it's usually a very good way, by the way. It's a very good app to make money. But of course, there are so many other sites. And you don't even have to sell online. You can even sell outside here. Just look at yourself. Analyze what you can do best. If it's cooking, anything. If you can teach people how to swim, just sell anything that you can do, anything that is unique. If it's a foreign language, if you know sign language, especially sign language, it has become so marketable. And everything you can do, just do it at a price and you're going to make money. If you become serious, you're going to get so many clients. You'll become a millionaire and you'll tell us the story. You'll tell us, huh? Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got something. Remember to like this video so that I can know that you enjoyed, so that I can do more of these videos. If you want to know many other business ideas, check on my description down below. There are so many business ideas, you know. I cannot exhaust them. I have given you very many, guys, and yeah, I'll keep on giving you, so stick around until next time.